Hello and welcome to our channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ZPW H20pro EBike 1000W 48V 20AH electric bike. This electric bike is perfect for all of your outdoor adventures, whether you're hitting the trails or cruising around town. Let's start with the features of this amazing electric bike. With a maximum load capacity of 150 kg and a maximum speed of 57 km/h, this bike is powerful and versatile. The 48V 20AH battery ensures a maximum mileage of 4,550 km, giving you plenty of range for your rides. The shock absorption system and aluminum shoulder-locking shock-absorbing fork provide a smooth and comfortable ride, while the Shimano 7-speed transmission allows for easy and efficient pedaling. The adjustable seat and foldable design make it convenient and comfortable for riders of all sizes. But what really sets this electric bike apart is its versatility. With both pure electric mode and PA mode, you can choose how much assistance you want from the motor, making it perfect for any riding situation. And the best part? You can now get this amazing electric bike with flexible payment options in many countries, including PayPal installment in Spain, Italy, France, and the US, as well as PayPal installments in Poland and Klarna installments in Austria, Netherlands, Finland, and Germany. So, why wait? Click the link in the description to get your ZPW H20pro EBike 1000W 48V 20AH electric bike today and start enjoying the freedom and fun of electric biking. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.